Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up Proxy with Dolphin Anty. Here we see their pricing plans. It starts like $10 per month. As you downloaded the browser, open it and at the center on the top click Create Profile. Give the name to the profile. For me it's ProxyEmpire. Go down, find Proxy section and choose New Proxy. Now we should choose protocol. We choose HTTP or SOCKS 5. We support both. Now let's go to our ProxyEmpire account and choose country, region, city and ICP based on your needs. For me it's United States, New York. Now we need to copy our proxy in the table and paste it. On the right, click on the icon Check Proxy. We see Proxy checked and Create Profile on the right bottom corner. Start the browser and let's check our proxy on the website hoa.net. Our IP is from New York. Everything is working fine. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Thank you.